Hello everyone. Today, we're visiting one of the most impressive landmarks in Seville, Plaza de España, or Spain Square. Afterward, we'll head to Park de María Luisa, located just in front of it. Now we're making our way toward the entrance, passing by Spain's traditional horse-drawn carriages. When you first arrive at Plaza de España, it truly leaves you speechless. With its massive semicircular structure, colorful ceramic decorations, bridges, and scenic canal. This is not only one of the most beautiful squares in Seville, but, in my opinion, one of the most beautiful in all of Spain. One of the square's most striking features is its semicircular design. It is said that this shape symbolizes Spain embracing its former colonies. Interestingly, it's not as old as you might think. Plaza de España was built for the Ibero-American Exposition held in 1929. The goal was to showcase Spain's cultural and commercial ties with its former colonies to the world. The square was designed by the famous Spanish architect Aníbal González, and its construction took approximately 15 years. As you get closer, you'll notice the colorful ceramic benches lining the walls. This is one of the most special parts of the square. The small canal stretching out in front of us is also one of the square's most charming details. This canal, which is about 500 meters long, offers visitors the opportunity to rent small boats and enjoy a ride. The 4 bridges crossing the canal represent Spain's 4 historic kingdoms. When you reach the center of the square, be sure to pay attention to the architectural details surrounding you. The combination of brick, marble, and colorful ceramics makes this one of the finest examples of neo-Magyar architecture in Spain. The Andalusian and Islamic architectural influences give the place a truly unique atmosphere. While exploring, we also came across street performers, flamenco shows, and musicians in different corners of the square. This lively atmosphere, combined with the historic architecture, makes spending time here especially enjoyable. This place has become a favorite not only among tourists, but also among filmmakers. If it looks familiar, don't be surprised. Plaza de España was used as a filming location for scenes on the planet Naboo in Star Wars Episode II, Attack of the Clones. It has also appeared in famous productions such as Lawrence of Arabia. There are a total of 48 ceramic benches here, each dedicated to one of Spain's provinces. Every bench features the province's map, coat of arms, and an important historical event depicted through ceramic artwork. If you're looking for a city you love, it's great fun to find its bench and take a photo there. If you happen to visit Seville, I recommend coming here early in the morning or close to sunset. Especially at sunset, the colors of the ceramics and the warm tones of the building look absolutely stunning. After visiting Plaza de España, we move on to María Luisa Park, located just in front of it. Honestly, in Seville's heat, this place feels like a refreshing oasis. With its wide walking paths, palm trees, orange trees, colorful flowers, and large shade-giving trees, it's easy to forget that you're right in the city center. The park also has a very interesting history. It was originally the private garden of the San Telmo Palace. In Ibarjosén, María Luisa Fernanda donated the gardens to the people of Seville, opening them to the public. Later, before the 1929 Ibero-American Exposition, the park was redesigned into its current form and quickly became one of the city's most beloved green spaces. As you walk through the park, you'll encounter a different view around every corner. Small ponds, ornate fountains, colorful ceramic benches, and beautiful little plazas make the experience especially enjoyable. One of the things that impressed me most was the park's peaceful atmosphere. On one side, people are cycling. On another, people are reading books. Families relax on benches throughout the park. After the busy streets of the city, this place feels like a truly calming retreat. While strolling through the park, you can spot freely roaming ducks, swans, colorful parrots, and most notably peacocks, which have become one of Seville's symbols. If you're lucky, you may even catch a peacock displaying its magnificent tail feathers. If you visit Plaza de España, I highly recommend adding this neighboring park to your itinerary as well. Grab a coffee, sit on one of the benches, watch the world go by, and enjoy the peaceful atmosphere. A few hours spent here could have easily become one of the most relaxing moments of your trip to Seville. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like it, subscribe to our channel, and leave a comment. See you in the next video on a brand new route. Goodbye.